everyone, Joy here. Today in this vlog I'd like to talk about how you can take picture while traveling alone. So I'm going to show you what I bring normally with me. Normally bring one tripod. This is a tripod I normally use. Right now I'm using this tiny camera, and normally I can connect camera. I can choose like differently. I can choose to set a timer 3 seconds or 10 seconds, but normally I will try to use a remote control to my phone, so I'll connect it to my phone. Okay, so now I'm going to connect with my phone. So I don't know about you guys, but for me, when I'm traveling to places like super crowded places, around place in Brussels normally will be full of people, full of tourists, I would feel really embarrassed or something. Like I feel shy and embarrassed if I do like this, taking picture of myself, set up tripod, taking pictures of myself. So you don't want to behave like those entitled tourists or anything, and then plus all the people around, so make you uncomfortable sometimes. But that's something good about tripod, because once you set up tripod, normally everyone knows that you are ready for a photo shoot or whatever. But if you don't have the tripod, if you just do selfie or put a phone somewhere, sometimes you put the phone somewhere on the surface, and then there will always be people asking, do you want a picture, do you want me to take a picture, and then you say yes, but then you cannot request, like, this is not good, take another one, and it feels even more awkward. So that's the main reason I sometimes take a tripod with me. And this tripod is it's a bit heavy, but it's really small, so I can fit in my bag like this. So today is the first day I come to Brussels center after lockdown, and it's still quite deserted. Can even see some grass start growing from the ground. It's a little bit greenish, kind of weird. But yeah, so that's why I decided to do this special vlog talking about how I take pictures if I'm traveling alone. And I will see you in my next vlog. Bye bye, everyone.